Okay, here we're looking at Bris and Ceannaigh. Bris 2. Did you break? Bris or near Bris? I'd like you to put your two hands out like you're asking a question. Bris 2. Two answers. Bris I broke. Near Bris I didn't break. Okay. Seo é daddy. Agus Bris daddy on inneog leis an líorróid. Daddy broke the fhuinneog, the window, leis an líorróid with the ball. Bris daddy on inneog. So two hands out. Bris daddy on inneog. Bris daddy on inneog? Or near Bris daddy on inneog? Cad éan frága? What's the answer? Bris daddy on inneog. Daddy did break the window. Ceiste dó. Bris na páistí on inneog. Did the children break the window? Bris na páistí on inneog or near Bris na páistí on inneog? Agus an freagra? Near Bris na páistí on inneog. Cearcalóir. Ceannaigh 2. Did you buy? Agus tá gá freagra. Ceannaigh I bought. Near Ceannaigh I didn't buy. Okay, so put your two hands out. Ceannaigh 2, like you're asking a question. Ceannaigh 2. Ceannaigh, so thumbs up in the left hand for Ceannaigh, and thumb down on the right hand for near Ceannaigh. I didn't buy. So, seo é an Ceannaigh, the old man, agus Ceannaigh sé nuachtáin. He bought a newspaper. Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh nuachtáin. Did the old man buy a nuachtáin? So, Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh nuachtáin or near Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh nuachtáin? And what's the answer? Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh nuachtáin. Ceiste dó. Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh aráiste. Did the old man buy a newspaper, an orange? Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh aráiste? No, ní Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh aráiste. What's the answer? Near Ceannaigh an Ceannaigh aráiste. The old man did not buy an orange. Okay, so let's revise those. Bris 2. Two hands out. Did you break? Bris 2. Bris near Bris Ceannaigh 2. Did you buy? And the freagra, the answers. Ceannaigh I bought. Near Ceannaigh I didn't buy.